All right, you guys know me, so I'm going to use scrap lumber where I can. I want the base heavy because it's narrow and it's 22 and a half inches to 22 inches tall, but you need to measure your couch so you know where the armrest is. Mine is 24. I want to make it just a couple inches smaller than the couch. All right, I've got my base and 2 legs cut. Now I'm going to show you what to do, and I'm going to let you see how I'm marking these because the 1x10s are actually 9 1/4, and the 2x8 is actually 7 1/4. Y'all ready? I'm gonna put some pocket holes in this thing. Everybody talk about pocket holes. I love pocket holes for stuff like this. Real good. Oh, by the way, I always use the same tape measure. Each one of them's a little different sometimes, and you don't want to make a mistake. What y'all think so far? I think it's gonna be pretty cool. All we got left to do is put the hinges on and the lid. Still got to stain the inside of it. But hey, we throw a couple of layers of polyacrylic on this or some lacquer or something to shine it up, and it's going right in the house. Hey, and never forget, Jesus loves you.